Hi viewers, good morning. Welcome back to my channel the class for all. Okay, sorry for not uploading the videos because I have been busy with my work. So sorry, but I'll try to upload on daily basis from now onwards. Okay, guys, if anybody are government aspirants or competitive exam aspirants, if anybody want to get a job in government sector, then this video is for them. If anybody are not interested, then leave it. But if you think it will be useful for any other people, you can share it. Okay guys, that staff selection commission has been released the notification regarding CHSL, which is combined higher secondary level examination. I think due to this COVID situation, the notifications releasing dates was postponed. So many thought that they will not release the examination dates or they will not release the new notifications. So but no problem guys, you're all known that from next year onwards there is no, the SSC and RB, they will not release any notifications because all the sectors will be combined, like RRB, IBPS and SSC. The three sectors will be combined and they will conduct only single exam for the preliminary examination, and for the mains examinations the separate boards they will conduct. So they will not release separately, they will combinedly release. So this is the good opportunity to utilize in my opinion, because this is the last notification released by the SSC board separately. From next year onwards they will release combinedly. Okay guys, in my opinion this is the best opportunity. Please try to utilize this opportunity, and this examination will be based upon only inter level, not degree level. Because and also I will upload a video on SSC examination calendar guys. The next video will be regarding the SSC examination calendar. Please, okay, if you like this video, please like this video. Okay guys, and coming to this video, SSC has been released the notification regarding CHSL, which is inter-level based. It is 2020 notification, because I think this notification was to release is to be released before last 6 months, but due to this situation, you are all known that due to this situation there is unable to write any examination, so it was reduced. So they have been, the government decided to release the notifications regarding this. Not only this, IBPS also released their revised their notification dates also for the final year students of BTech or degree. Okay guys, if you are interested, then I will try to upload that banking examinations also. But now what I thought is the government job is more important for the people, because private sectors will be like 50-50. So my opinion is government job is best. Please try for the government job. If you do hard work once, then the government job will be yours guys. Okay guys, the coming to this video, dates for submission of online applications will be like November 6th. It has been started guys, and also the last date will be for 15th December. And because there is an examination fee for the women candidates, SCST and candidates, but for the BC and OC category, for the male candidates there will be examination fees and not more. It will be like 100 rupees, because for the IBPS bank examinations there will be around like 850, 950 like that. But this examination only they will take 100 rupees guys. You can see here, this is the notification. There will be 63 pages, but I'll going to, I'll show only important points, because it is enough for you. Okay guys, there will be in this CHSL post, there will be four posts will be there. One is lower division clerk. You can see the grade pay of here, and post assistant or sorting assistant, data entry operator, data entry operator level 4 jobs and level 5 jobs also there, and data entry operator grade A jobs also will be there. Here you can see guys, lower division girls, postal assistant, sorting assistant, data entry operators will be based upon two. And vacancies will be uploaded later after the examinations, before the document verifications maybe. If they will reveal or if they will release, I'll going to upload a video on particular that. And here you can see, these are the posts: lower division clerk and post assistant like that. And the main things, these are all about the physical standards only. BRO, border roads organizations, as only eligible for the male candidates, is only for that post, for the sector. Male candidates only eligible. And also the people who are applying, they should be citizen of India, subject of Nepal. Here you can see, if you want, I'll add screenshots in the end of the video, then you can take screenshot. Otherwise guys, if you want to download this notification, please go to the website of www.ssc.nic.in. Otherwise I will provide link in the description box. Please click that link and go to the website and download the this notification. No problem, guys. It is, and the age relaxations, you are all known about that. And because I think all the people will know, but the new people who are now, they have been completed their intermediate this year, then they can also apply for this post, because the main certificates has been came out of. So okay guys, here you can see. And main thing I need to share with you guys one thing: if anybody are applying for these examinations, not only for this post, if anybody are applying for the SSC, I mean any post under the board of SSC, please make sure that your applications without such date printed on the photograph will be rejected, because you need to upload a photo on that particular website while applying. So in that particular photograph, the date should be clearly mentioned. If you want, I'll upload the photograph which is date format. I will upload a video on particular that. Okay, no problem. Please don't mind, and the date should be within before 3 months itself, because they need to identify that this your photo will be recently, I mean recent photograph. They need to identify like that. And last date will be 15/12 I have been set. And application fees will be, there is no application fees for the women candidates, and for the SC and ST candidates and ex-servicemen, PWD. And also there will be only fees applicable to the male candidates for the OBC and like that. And these are the examination centers, guys. Here you can see for the region central, eastern, they have been given same. You can see, if anybody are already wrote this examination, they have been known that about that. And if you once select the examination center after submitting, there is no request to change, it is the final. So before applying, please check all the details either it is correct or not. And this scheme of examinations will be like tier 3. There will be 3 rounds, I mean 3 tiers will be there. Tier 1 will be computer based examination, tier 2 will be descriptive paper, tier 3 will be skill test and typing test. And the syllabus for the tier 1, here you can see, guys, there will be 60 minutes for the whole examination. There will be 100 bits, and for each bit they will carry 2 marks. It will be multiple choice, guys, no problem. And second paper will be objective type, and I will do a video regarding this examination about in detail about 3 stages. No problem, guys, I'll upload about that. And also, guys, if you want, I'll give link in the description box. Otherwise you can comment in the comment section. I'll provide syllabus copy for the people who want. Otherwise you can download this notification, guys. Tier 2 will be like a descriptive paper, and tier 3 will be skill test and typing test. Skill test will be only for the data entry operator, and typing test will be for the sorting assistant and the lower division clerks. You can see, I think these are the main important points, guys. And also typing test will be, there will be 30 words per minute for the Hindi who are typing in the Hindi medium, and who are for the English medium, there will be 35 words per minute. And it is the main thing, guys. These are only the main people, because, and also original valid photo ID, these are the valid photo IDs. You need to pick up one and you need to take that. Document verifications, these are all not more necessary, guys. Please, the main things, only 5 main things I'm going to explain again and again. First thing is the application. First thing is, guys, the application will date will be starts on 6th November and ends on 15th December. Please try to apply between these, not till end. Don't wait for till end. And also second thing is, the application fees will be only for the male candidates who are belongs to SC ST, I mean who was belongs to OBC and OC category, not for SC and ST category. And also the third point will be, while you are applying, please think once, or please check once the photograph, on the photograph the date will be printed or not. And also fourth point will be, while submitting the application form, please check once and once, because if you are selected any wrong centers, then there will be no change. Okay, the fifth point will be, there will be 3 stages. If you perform better in first 2 stages, it will be considered as a merit, and third test will be like a qualifying. Second also it might be like a qualifying. The main thing is, please prepare well. And one advice from me, please do hard work. If you want, if you are a government aspirant, this is a good chance to get a job. Because if you are thinking for the CGL, if you are thinking about the bank examination, it will be too tough. If please try, or try once, if you'll get this job under these categories, there will be good life for you. Please try, please do hard work with consistency in a right direction. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on like button, and also if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts regarding any competitive examinations, please comment in the comment section. I'll going to reply for your all comments. Thank you.